इट्स अ सेगमेंट. अब मैं एक छोटा सा सेगमेंट खेलते हैं, लेकिन खेलने से ज्यादा इट्स कॉल्ड नेम 3. ठीक है, तो मैं 3 चीजें हर चीज की पूछूंगा आपको, और हम इसी जोन में रहेंगे, माफिया वाले जोन में रहेंगे. सो आपके हिसाब से कौन से अच्छे,
हम दोनों को खेलना है?
each of them, each of you. It'll be quick. It won't take too much time. Okay. So, for example, just to start off, 3 actors who y'all think stand out as the portrayal of mafia honchos or dons.
Manoj Bajpayee, Ajay Devgan, and Nawazuddin.
Sir, up.
Same.
Super. I'm so glad कि कोई हॉलीवुड का नाम नहीं आया इसमें. I mean, of course, they're great, but I love it. We are very desi. We are rooted here.
जी.
Super. 3 mafia films of like all time that are your all-time favorites. You can always go back to them.
Company Sarkar.
That was quick and perfect. Nice. 3 या तो फिर चलो एक ही dialogue, not to just stretch too more. एक dialogue किसी mafia film का which is like stayed with you for like you'll just never forget it.
तू और तेरी कंपनी खलास. I love that.
Super.
Yeah.
सर आपके दिमाग में अगर जहन में कोई ऐसा?
मेरा ही है. मैं दुबई से लतीफा सुनाने नहीं आया.
Right, of course. 3 mafia films you wish you were a part of in some way.
Satya Company and
Yeah, same.
सही तो है ना यार. I was not there.
एक का तो मैं पार्ट.
एक का तो आप हो चुके हैं सर, इसीलिए आप तो मतलब वो आइकॉन में आ चुके हैं. बट उसके अलावा ऐसी कोई और जैसे गॉडफादर, जस्ट टू गिव एन एग्जांपल आई एम सेइंग, हालांकि सरकार गॉडफादर लाइंस पे ही है.
नहीं, अब उसमें कुछ ऐसा आता नहीं है दिमाग में कि मुझे इसका पार्ट होना चाहिए,
जी,
उसका होना चाहिए.
राइट, करेक्ट. 3 underrated mafia films, which we all probably saw fleetingly और लगा कि ये उनको उतना नहीं मिला जितना बाकियों को मिला है.
D Company. Underrated mafia films.
Or shows like you can be anything, can be global also.
Underrated, huh?
Yeah. और like मतलब वही कि ज्यादा नोटिस में नहीं आया, कराना चाहिए.
Carlito's Way.
Oh yes.
Yes,
I've seen it. Yes.
है ना? And
पता नहीं, मैं तो ज्यादा देखा नहीं.
हिंदी में what else is there which so I wouldn't say underrated, but I mean, I didn't mention it in my top 3, but I really enjoyed Shootout at Lokhandwala.
Yeah. It's a fun one.
Yeah, it's a fun one. Half our industry is in it. Yes.
True.
Yeah.
It's one of those times when ensemble like was defined in like.
But if you're talking about cool gangster films, and I mean, my mom was also in it, but I'll still say it, I love Kante. Now that's a different kind of gangster film, but मुझे बहुत मजा आया.
Yes.
Because like for the first time you got to see a desi gangster like Sanjay Dutt,
Biggies coming together,
Shetty, but in a very Hollywood.
Yeah. The Reservoir Dogs, I think. Yeah,
exactly.
Of course. Exactly. Right.
मैं कहना नहीं चाह रहा था, but
नहीं, but no, everybody knew it, so yeah, it's out there.
Yeah.
Super. And the final thing, the last one, 3 things about Murshid that you feel will be the takeaway that people will have after watching it.
Zakir Hussain, KK Menon, and KK Menon's hair. Yeah.
And Tanuj.
अच्छा. पर फिर भी ऐसा कुछ ऐसा what y'all want के कोई भी एक चीज ऐसी कि y'all think के बाकी सबसे, जैसे आपने बोला स्टैंड आउट कैसे हो सकता है ये शो, लेकिन ऐसी चीज जो लोगों के जहन में रह जाएगी कि ये कुछ अलग देखा हमने.
Look.
Yeah.
Rustiness.
Rawness. Yeah,
which is very raw and very real. No even single thing is artificially made.
Yeah.
Right.
No slow-mo shots. No, I mean, it's very. आजकल के फिल्मों में और वेब सीरीज में you see it's a lot of style over substance. I feel we are actually substance over style. Because we get to the and 7 episode की जो कहानी है ना, there's so much story that Shravan sir has written that there's no time only for all this style giri and all that. It's like proper hardcore 90s gangster shows and films की तरह. This is what you'll get.
Simple and straight है.
Yeah.
How do you see by your eyes?
Yeah.
Just like that.
Yeah. Unlike the characters.
Not simple. Not simple for sure. Fantastic, guys.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Such a pleasure talking to
Always.
both of you. And I cannot wish but all the best.
Yes.
And just cannot wait myself. So the show is going to start streaming on 30th August on ZEE5.
Yeah.
I'm sure everybody's going to watch it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So much. Thanks.